Hello everyone. Today I will show how to use the Extract by Tree ID function. First, on the right side toolbar of the LiDAR360 main interface, click on the ALS Forest drop-down menu and find the Extract by Tree ID tool. You can also search for the Extract by Tree ID tool directly and click to open it. In the pop-up window, start by selecting the input point cloud file. After selection, choose the extraction method under the Extract Type section. You can either extract by range or by tree attribute file. If you choose to extract by range, you'll need to set the minimum and maximum values for the range. If you choose to extract by tree attribute file, you will need to import the individual tree attribute file. Next, select whether to extract to one file or multiple files. The file format can be chosen from LiDAR, CSV, LAS, or LAZ. After completing the above settings, select the output path and finally click the OK button. LiDAR360 will automatically extract the relevant point cloud data based on the selected tree ID and save it to the specified path. That's the entire process of Extract by Tree ID function. Thank you for watching.